Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here. It's likely something that was sent in response to my recent community post about knives I'm looking for review. Of course, these are loaners. They'll go back. If you'd like to check that out, it's in my community tab. I'll have to scroll down a bit. Thanks so much to John for sending this in. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty, let's see what we've got. As per usual, if this is something that I can link, you will find the links for it right down in the description. I do appreciate it when you use my links. It does help me out quite a bit, but that is entirely up to you. Okay, let's see what we have. I hope we have a note. We have peanuts. Sorry, I'm getting these out of the way because otherwise they make a mess on the table. We have a Civivi pouch. That doesn't necessarily mean it is a Civivi, but we'll find out here in just a sec. Hold on one moment. We are unfolding the note. Hi MC, as promised, here's my, oh yes! It's a Spyderco. Feel free to carry and disassemble it however you want. I bought this as a user, and I doubt there's anything you would do with it that I wouldn't. I wouldn't mind as long as it's still in good working shape when it gets back. Absolutely, no problem. Okay, cool. So, I'll read that rest of that on my own time, but I know you guys want to see what the knife is. This is a new Spyderco, right? Anything you want? That's the Little Native. This is a Little Native Slipit or slip joint. Here's the right there, the Little Native, Lil Native Slipit. I believe this is available, and I will link it right down below. This is CPMS 30V, USA, etc. So this is a Little Native, which is a lot like a tiny Shaman. The standard Little Native has a compression lock, right? It's kind of got blocky scales. This is true to the original Little Native. It's not as chamfered as the Shaman, but instead of being, you know, a locking knife, it doesn't, which is kind of interesting because, excuse me, I'm trying to imagine choking up and using this right now. You know, it may translate differently when I actually use it, but if I'm going to break, yeah, if you're gonna like cut into cardboard like this, then this part of your hand is going to be back here off the spine of the blade. Obviously, you don't want to put pressure on the spine of the blade because it doesn't lock, right? Now, for people saying, why would they do that? Well, here's why they would do it. It makes it super legal for lots of people, even people who don't live in the United States, right? A lot of people have, they have to deal with laws that surround locking mechanisms. If a knife locks at all, it's illegal. We have it, like, I'm from Kansas, USA. I have it better than essentially everybody else on earth, right? There's some other states in the USA that are like Kansas, and I'm sure they'll shout themselves out down below. We have it easy, folks. We can carry whatever we want, right? We want to carry freaking Claymore on my back. I can do that. I mean, I wouldn't, but I could, right? Not the the sword, right? Yeah, so this makes it, this type of knife is going to be legal for many, many, many more folks. Also, it's the type of knife that makes traveling, if you were here in the United States, like going from state to state and going, what are the laws? And I don't know. I probably shouldn't have my Cold Steel Espada XL in my pocket right now, right? This is the type of knife that is travel friendly. Because of its very short blade length and its non-locking nature. So this is obviously not going to be the first choice for everybody, but there are some people who are so limited in choice that this is going to be so obvious for them. It's gonna work out, right? You have those nice ergonomic lines, right? Everything that's great about the Little Native is still present here. It just doesn't lock. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If I remember correctly, it's a reasonably fair price, and I say that in the wake of everything that is happening right now, and the fact that this is a US-made knife. Obviously, less expensive knives exist, but the fact that it's a Spyderco, inflation, right, US-made, I think the price on this guy is fairly reasonable. So, I'll let you guys check out the link right down below if you want to. I think that's pretty neat. But this is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. I will, of course, review it a few weeks from now. Thanks again to John for sending this in. I appreciate that. Really happy I get a chance to take a look. There's not a lot of new, interesting Spydercos right now. So, and I got to keep that Spyderco content up. You do. You just, come on. You guys, as of you understand. I really do. As a knife reviewer, I have to stay on top of Spyderco. And I want to, right? But I need them to release some more interesting stuff. This is one of the more interesting things that they have available right now. So, anyways. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.